In today's video, I'm going to go over one of the setups that we worked on in the trading room today. This was VEEV, and what we noticed about this chart, besides the fact that it was a nice bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows, price was also clearly above the 200 and the 50 as far as the simple moving averages, so that was also a positive. Beyond that, the most recent decline is similar to some of these prior declines. Okay, so I also like to see, the symmetry with, some of these prior swings in the same direction. And that gave us basically a setup. Okay, so the setup included symmetry projections and a 50% retracement. Whoops, forgot to shut off CNBC. And it hit, it held, and it triggered an entry. Now, you'd be a little late to the party if you go in now, but I don't think that the party's quite over yet, because if this low is any good, your upside target, if it follows the path of least resistance, is at this 178.72 area. Okay. Now, hurdles on the way up that you would need to clear, that you want to be aware of, come in at 164.15 from taking a prior low to high, projecting it from the low, and also running the 618 retracement of the prior swing. So those areas need to be cleared if we are indeed going to continue to rally from here. And let me show you an example of a trigger. Now, I did post my trigger video again. I've posted it multiple times on Twitter. But this is really what you need to see. I like to see the 834 EMA crossover to the upside for a buy. And I also want to see in that process that it takes out a prior swing high, so you basically see a shift in pattern from lower lows and lower highs to, higher highs and potentially higher lows. Okay, so we did see a trigger. It's not over yet. If you missed the first entry, you can always look at a pullback to this last low and define your risk under that low, and then let's see if it does actually head towards the initial upside target. Anyway, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.